Hello everyone, welcome to the Virtual Assets. We are continuing with the ASP.NET MVC tutorials. In this video, we will discuss how we create our first ASP.NET MVC application using the Visual Studio. So before creating a MVC application, I'll say like we provide the training courses that included the many technology like ASP.NET, MVC, C++, and if you want to get the training or get trained on the new technology like Angular, and so we provide all the latest technology which is currently trending in the market. So for that, what you have to do, you have to come to the virtualasset.in, and then from the services you just come on the training part, and from here you can select any training whatever you are looking to be trained. So from here you just want to see the details, you can click on the view detail and can see like what all the topic we cover while giving the training. And if you want to register yourself, you just can click on the register, and like you can give the mandatory information and you can register yourself. So let's go to how we create our first ASP.NET MVC application. So for creating a ASP.NET MVC application, first of all we have to be installed the Visual Studio in our system. So for installing that Visual Studio, this is the link like visualstudio.microsoft.com and downloads. From here you can download the community version, it's a free download, and you can get this link in the description section as well. So after installing this community version, you just from the start window you just open the Visual Studio, and once you will open that Visual Studio, it will look like this, and in the right panel you just click on the create new project. So once you will click on the create new project, it will take us to the new window, and from that new window what we have to do, we have to select the project type, and there we have the different type of the project like .NET Core, MVC, I mean to say like ASP.NET Web Application. So like at selected language we have to select from this window, and we can see we have multiple template here. You can select like if you want to work with the C# or VB.NET, F#, C++. So we are going to continue with the C#, and here you can just search for the ASP.NET Web Application. So I have already selected couple of the template for me, so they are showing the recent project template. So I will select from here like ASP.NET Web Application .NET Framework. After selecting the template, just click on the next. So once I will click on the next, it will ask the project name, like what project name we want to give. So I will give like Virtual Assets MVC first app. So this project name I am giving, and after selecting or after giving the project name, what it will ask, it will ask the project type, like you want to create an MVC application, you want to create a like a normal web form, API, or single page application. So from here I am going to select the MVC application, and I am not going to create with the HTTPS, so I can uncheck this one. So from here I have selected the MVC. So after clicking on this MVC, just click on the create. So what it will take few seconds to create the project, and after like creating the project, we will see couple of the folder, that is model, view, and the controller. The folder structure of the MVC we will discuss in the coming video. In this video we are covering like how we create our first ASP.NET MVC application, and then we will see in a bit like how we run the application. So for running the application, what we have to do, either we can press F5 or we can click on the start window. So once we will click on that start window or will press F5, what it will do, it will open that default MVC application on the browser. So it will take few seconds to create the project, as we are creating the first time ASP.NET MVC application. So let's wait for few seconds. So now we can see like it has created a project for us, and when we go with the solution explorer, we can see it couple of the folders it has created for us, and those are like controller, model, and the view, and some default view it has created. We will discuss in the coming video about the folder structure and like what all are the model, controller, and the view, and how we create that, and what is the logic behind it. like how it communicate and what is the life cycle for the MVC. All those stuff we will discuss in the coming video. So like as per the steps, it has created the ASP.NET application, and for running the application, what you can do, you can click on this IS Express or you can press F5. So once I will click on this one, what it will do, it will open this project like the default project it has created, and we can see like home page, contact us page and about us page on the browser, because all those controller and the views it is already created for us inside the Solution Explorer, and in the view you can see those folders. So we will see like how it create the project, or I will say like how it create the view, that we will see in the coming video. So by default, like whatever the controller and the view it has created for us, we will see that on the browser. And now we can see like it has opened the default view like it has created for us, and we can see on the browser. And here we can see like it has given some name like application name, home, about and contact. So like the respective view it is opening, we will see like how it communicate between the view. So at point of this time, we can see the default application it is showing to us. In the coming video, we will discuss about the life cycle, and we will see like what all are the folder structure here and how it work. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.